This one, ladies and gentlemen, is Irish lemonade, okay? Ooh, you know some whiskey coming in here and you know it's Irish, so some Irish whiskey. Beautiful in the base there. All right, come behind it with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. All right, loving this so far. All right, come behind with some fresh squeezed lime juice. So hold on, it's Irish lemonade and got lemonade and lime, but I'm gonna roll with it, okay? I'm going to a Grenadine too in that lemonade. Okay, Ireland, okay, all right. A little bit of powdered sugar. We really got a mix going on here. All right, now we can shake that up. Bang, ba-bang, ba-bang, bang. We are good to go. You know what we need in here? Some crushed ice. Okay, so we get in our crushed ice and then we can pour our delicious mix over the top of that crushed ice. Look at it flow in. Beautiful, delicious, sexy, classy. Okay, Irish. We leave a little bit of space, come behind it with some soda water, and there you have it. Ooh, yeah. Irish lemonade, okay? Put a little lemon slice on the side just to keep it sexy. Little cherry to bring out the eyes. Okay, so for all your drinking needs, for all your Irish drinking needs, let me be more specific, come to tipsybartender.com. We got you covered, homeboy, because we taking over this liquor business, okay? Yeah, all drinks go through us, that's right, okay? We run the market. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.